Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to walk you through how to change the SSL setting on your Weebly website to ensure your site is secure and trustworthy. So let's get started. First of all, open a web browser on your mobile device and go to Weebly's official website, that is www.weebly.com. And once you are logged in, you will be taken to the Weebly's dashboard. From there, click on the website which you want to edit by clicking on Edit Site. From there, you will be redirected to your Weebly editor. And in this Weebly editor, search for a tab which is named as Settings, which is on the top of the navigation menu. Simply click on it. And once your general setting option is opened, you can see an option saying SSL, which is currently enabled. And if you want to disable it, you will get an option of disable in the side of it. And that's it. Now you know how you can edit your SSL information in the Weebly website. And if this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.